Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Adding new left right to queue.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Oh. I'm so sorry, okay?
Yeah.
Bro, this is the type of shit I see at Walmart. So I'm just sitting here in the car. This little blue car, no one's in front of her. Absolutely no one's in front of her. She's just sitting there. Homeboy is like behind her. He's trying to leave. Man's just trying to fucking dip. He's done with this shit. She's just fucking sitting there like a bitch for no fucking reason. Oh, ooh, he's riding that ass. Oh, damn, he's riding that ass like a hooker. Shit. Okay, lady pulls out. She's pulling out. She's trying to. Everyone here is like 80 and above. This is hilarious. I fucking love this. Oh, does she take the spot? She does. She does take the spot. Oh, and this guy parks right next to her. Oh, that's fucking swell.
Wie? Welche Karte?
Hier.
Ich hab Polizei angerufen, die kommen gleich. In 2 Minuten fahren die durch. Und sie soll. Warten auf Polizei! Mein Gott! Mein